For the rear, I'm going with the Iron Rock Off-Road lower control arms and the upper control arm, which I have on the other side of the Jeep, getting ready to be put on, as well as 2.5-inch skyjacker shocks with just some eBay 1.5-inch spacers. You do got to drill a hole in here for the extended bump stop. And there's also a mounting plate on top of the rear diff. And then if you go to the other side, you've also got to extend this brake line. You're going to want to extend that down with, just because of that 10 millimeter bolt, just downward, and you can bend that hard brake line down enough to where you don't need to extend it, or you can just buy the kits online to extend it. You may also want to extend the, I have an 03, so I got the non-ABS wheel speed sensor right on the top of the rear diff. You need to extend this. It's just 2 wires, so it's pretty easy to do. You may also want to extend the diff breather definitely up higher to the highest point you can, keeping that straight as well.